Most people would think that their homeowners or their renter's insurance or some sort of insurance would cover them if they injure someone when they are on an electric bike. But there is a new thing where insurance companies has figured out a way to try to avoid paying claims. So what they say is that if you are on a scooter, if you're on an electric bike, maybe if you're on one of those electric unicycles or an electric skateboard or a skateboard with a motor, your insurance company, your own insurance company that you pay premiums to, may say, we aren't providing coverage because you are on a motorized vehicle. And they say, you are on a motorized vehicle and we're not going to pay. And sometimes they don't even care with an electric bike whether you had the motor engaged or not. Now, I know where this came from. It came from motorcycle policies. Back in the day, people would get motorcycles. They would think, I have auto insurance or I have homeowner's insurance. I don't need a motorcycle policy, and maybe my bike isn't that expensive. I don't care if it's wrecked. But people pretty much now know if you have a motorcycle, you have to have an insurance policy on it, a separate one, because no other insurance policy will cover it. Your insurance agent will tell you, if you have a motorcycle, buy a policy. Here's the problem. Right now, there aren't any, or maybe very few policies that you could ever buy to cover you on an electric bike. So your insurance agent probably doesn't have the ability to sell you a policy, probably won't tell you or doesn't know that your insurance company may not cover you. And so I don't understand how insurance companies can exclude coverage for something you couldn't even buy coverage for. That just doesn't make any sense, and I think it's outrageous and unconscionable, and that's why we're taking action on those cases. But I'm also concerned that people don't know. They don't know the risk that they're exposing themselves to, whether they buy an electric bike, and that's usually what they ride, or whether they just pick up a Lime bike on the corner. They don't understand that their insurance company will not be there for them, and that they may have a long battle ahead. And you know, you don't want somebody to lose their assets that way. And I think insurance companies are setting people up for disaster, and they're not telling them.